ready? Hasn't even got his guitar on. Ready? Right, I promise this is going to be such a laugh. So my name's Welly, we're all from Southampton, apart from... Oh, what the fuck, did it stop? Right, we're going to come on, Josh is going to tell a joke again. Oh, for fuck's sake. Didn't that look really good, though? My name's Welly, this is my wonderful band. Joe, Jacob, Hannah and Matt. There will be a test. And this is a song about Paris. The chorus is very easy. It's all part of the show, folks. Reload! No, there's clearly a vibe in the room. Right, okay. Are we all actually ready now? Because there's been a couple of people in the back that were getting drinks and stuff like that. I know. If Hannah starts it, it'll look a lot more spontaneous. Go on. There will be a test. Reference an outcome. We'll go very long way. Terms and conditions will apply. Adult protected. 18 plus only. I'll hide the prophecy. Shove your shopping trolley up the Champs-Elysees, you'd probably get away scot-free. So you probably stood and start something you could have started and go and blame your liberties. It goes from ring road and crusade to a fear of using euros. The price of 52% of votes. Just cause they don't have the tea or believing cuisine was fish and chips and mushy peas. It goes from ring road, what I mean, brings out a fear of using euros. It's what they call the hand. The rest of 52% of vote, police or free. Well, I could tell you that it's not like this is wrong. I could tell you that it's not like this is wrong. I could tell you that it's not like this is wrong. I could tell you, no. Thank you very much, everyone. My name's Welly, this is my fantastic band, the Alan Sugar Boat. Or the Stussy Cat Dolls. Or... what's one for the Saturdays? The Shatterdays. Straight off the fucking noggin to Liverpool. Right then, this one's about shopping. Fuck off, do any of you know it? Are you all ready, Matt? There's a lot of beer on the floor. I want life. You said you were ready. Is that the tone you're going for? My friend's wife went on a holiday to Jamaica. Oh fuck, I've already messed it up. My friend's wife went on a holiday to Indonesia. She said she got hit by a wild marsupial. I said, Kuala Lumpur. She said, no, kangaroo. I want the high life, up on the high street. Just like Paris, if Paris is made of concrete. I want free parking, my water sparkling. And if it's nice outside, we'll sit between the cafe scaffolding. The Paris love me, bastards locally. On the start of the blockbuster melancholy. I want it cashless, I want it trendy. But I also want a Costa and a massive Audi. I work time and I don't know why. I need a big house to keep my taxes. So look up your hoarders board and chopping up the signs and say orders from abroad that their pleasure's on line. Well, my pockets must have holes because I don't know where it all goes. We go and stop it. I want the best I can afford. I want it all and I want more. We go and shop it. We go and shop it. Come on, boy. You want to stop? I'll have a go. You want to try? I'll try it all. If it's a strip arcade or precinct, instinct take me to the mall. Go. We have your boat. I'm Joseph's coat. I'll wear my heart up on my sleeve and party badges on my toes. I fancy something fancy. I don't care what it costs. I buy my cause Boston comes out in. Look at the state of the art. A perfect view of the past. Put your face up to the glass. What's the time on it? I don't know where it's all. We go and shopping. We go and shopping. Yeah, the best out of more. I want it all and I want more. We go and shopping. We go and shopping. Don't take the money and run. Oh, everyone but me seems to know what I need. Oh, everyone but me seems to know what I need. Oh, everyone but me seems to know what I need. Oh, Lord. Oh, yeah. What's that close? I don't know where it's all going. We go and shopping. We go and shopping. Yeah. The best I can afford. I want it all and I want more. We go and shopping. We go and shopping. Everyone but me seems to know what I need. Oh, everyone but me seems to know what I need. Oh, everyone but me seems to know what I need. What bees make milk? Boobies. I don't know if any of you knew this, we weren't actually supposed to be playing here tonight, were we? We were actually booked to play the Co-op live tonight. But, Take That pulled out their support slot at the last minute, so, and they wouldn't support us here, so, but we'll still have fun, won't we? How is everybody? Wow. Right, what should we do the next one? We've got one about gap years, which is quite fun. We've got one about cutting the grass, that's quite fun. Or we've got one about, I think that's about it. Right, we'll do the one about gap year. Gap year. Just getting the tone right there. One second. It's Boss, actually. Captain, mate, you don't mind. Major chord that called me. Oh, that's not the. What song was that? Oh, we could do a cover of Material Girl if anyone wants us to. No, we don't remember it. I'm very sorry. I shouldn't have advertised. That's very cruel of me. Right, everybody, join in. Very easy. And over the world go English girls on their gap years, trying to find some space between their self-pierced ears. Departing St. Martin's carting bargain states of mind, they said, good time.
Do you know the way to Burger?
My name's Holly, I'm from Crawley, and I'm looking for the good one. Hair like a sculptor, he's like a vulture. Head just like a sponge, soak up the culture now, soak up the culture now. Soak up the culture now, soak up the culture. Soak up the culture now, soak up the culture. Soak up the culture now, soak up the culture now, soak up the culture now. Oi, oi!
Amigo, amigo!
I thought Stella was Spanish!
What do you mean you don't know Stella? I thought it was Spanish!
Suburban song, so we can fall like run away. But living say, Italian say, I'm most away. Posing for exposure, on holiday in Calabria, no sound. The culture. Thank you very much. Right, this next song, very unorthodox. I'm actually, no, if anything, you're probably getting sick of seeing this indie band gigs. So what you got to do is, this next song, we don't make the rules, but you can only start it via the medium of lawnmower. I know you're really sick of bands doing this, but you have to humour us. So what we've got to do is, everyone's got to lean down, imagine you're going down this really shit lawnmower, and you're going to pull the choke on it, and hope the song starts, alright? Okay. So on the count of 3, and all we got left. I reckon it'll work first time. Everybody get very, very low. I'll press the button a couple of times on the thing. Right, let's all get very low. We'll go 1, 2, 3, and we'll heave. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh. All right, I'll try one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Come on, Liverpool! Oh, come on! You've heard this. You've heard this. I've done it festival. Nice man in a half-nice suit. One white, two wings, still nothing to lose. Destined to be eternally bored. Hates his job and his chores, but God, I'm standing up. Pale man with a very pale complexion. He knows all about his new action. Made their vows for beds or work. He cleans the house, he cleans the car. He wants a beamer, she prefers her. He knows the Lord, he knows the Lord, he knows the Lord. Wow, dear John, knows the Lord. Wow, dear John, when I'm coming home, go inside and face your mind. You're too old for that. Running the tear, sorry I didn't see you there. Could you be a darling and bring me a curry here? I know what this one asked, and I'm gonna play with old plans. I really want to get it going on all the stars. Came home too late one night. Couldn't look her in the eyes. Put his head up, turn that over. As he slowly goes in closer. Oh fuck, where's the drummer gone? Oh, I really must keep an eye on him. Right, I think we should do jockey next.
Unexpected item in.
Oh no, that's the wrong one. Oh god. I'll be honest, it's not going very well actually. I'm supposed to be working today. I've got the chips mixed up and everything. If I play this one, Our House by Madness Blaze, it's alright, mate. Right, this one's about jockeys, sort of. So if anyone fancies galloping, Joe does a very good example. That was not fucking me that time. How is it me, Hannah? I'm over here. I know fuck the patriarchy and everything, but I'm nowhere near that drum machine. He's my favourite horse. I can't can't find a reason for sticking around. I'm the only jockey in my one-horse town. I'm shocked by the seasons, turned blind by the sounds. I'm going so mining for something profound. I'm waked by the dance. Something is running fast enough. Racehorse on concrete carousels, sounds a sound for hot voice on heaven and hell. I know everyone's day, but they all not mine. I went to school with one half and the rest run. I'm waiting for change, my pockets out with no one left to blame. No one to blame. Dream the dream of hell on earth and cave. Down with the rain. Take a wind, everyone. The hooks on which I'll hang around. I'm the only jockey in my one-horse town. No ounce of doubt, no tragic roundabout. I've got to get We've got one more. Thank you very much for coming to see us. Who was clashing with us? I couldn't figure it out. Was it Fiji? Fiji. Oh, that's so nice. You only knew we were playing. That's so flattering. So yeah, you can follow us everywhere at Worldwide Welly if you use the internet. There's some of those songs on Spotify if you fancy that. If you hate us. But yeah, it's been very nice of you to come. This is our most northern show we've ever done. Don't we look tanned? But yeah, this was called Me and You, mate. Thank you ever so much for having us. Hopefully. Lots of love, everybody. We're trying to bring back the pogo. But if you're all very young, don't know if you remember it. Corridors as I leave your dorm. Yes, I'm running now. love you lots.
Unexpected item in bagging area. Before continuing.
This can now be placed in your bag.
Card accepted.
All of your Tesco points add up.